Southwestern University of Finland. And today I'll be performing a third demonstration of immediate newborn care. So first off is I will be performing hand washing. And wearing my gloves or sterile gloves. After that is I'll now proceed to checking the baby's umbilical cord if it has 2 arteries and 1 vein. After that is I will be now prepping the umbilical cord of the baby for the clamping and cutting. So first off is I'll be cleaning the base of the umbilical cord. Cleaning, I'm using the OS with NSS or sterile water. I'll be cleaning it with the baby or upward. And then after that is I will be clumping. Okay. Should be 1 inch. And when I heard the click, that's it. And then cut. Cut. After that is I'll be removing the gloves. So assuming that now I am wearing my clean gloves, I will now be measuring for the baby's anthropometric measurement of the baby, such as the temperature. So the normal temperature of the baby can vary from 36.5 to 38. Okay. After that is I'll be checking for the circumferences of the baby for the head, chest, abdomen, and the arm. So using the centimeters. Okay, so to check for the circumference of the head of the baby, make sure to check above the eyebrows of the baby. Even though it can't be seen yet, still check there. Okay, after that is after making okay. Baby, since it's the most delicate part of their body head. And then check for the abdomen. Always make sure that it's lower than the umbilical cord, still in cm or centimeters. Okay, and for the chest, make sure it's on the nipple line. After that is I will be now administering the gentamicin or the prophylaxin on the baby. Prophylaxis on the baby. So assuming it should be in to out. 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 Now I will be administering the vitamin K on the baby's right thigh. Okay, pinch up. Okay. Inside. Up, pinch. Motion. Hold. Aspirate. Push. Then pressure. Then now I'll be administering the Hep B or hepatitis B on the baby's left thigh. Okay, this side. Pinch, starting motion. Aspirate. Then pressure. For vitamin K, I've administered 0.5 on the baby, and for hepatitis B is 0.1. Okay, after that is done. I'll be now changing the baby. I'll be now changing for the baby's diaper and clothing. Applying diaper for the baby or the newborn, make sure not to cover the umbilical cord as it can cause infection. Okay, after that is I will be applying clothes, fresh clothes to the baby. Scrub up so it's easy. Make sure in applying or making the baby wear their bottom clothes is not to put pressure on the umbilical cord, or make sure that the garter of the shorts does not line with the umbilical cord. And before swaddling the baby is make sure to have the identification tag of the baby so it won't get lost. Okay. After that is I will be now swaddling the baby. Barefoot swaddle. The baby is up. After all of that procedure is I'll now delivering the baby to the nursery so that it can have a rooming in, or I can promote rooming in with the mother or bonding, and so that the baby can also latch with the mother. Medications I'm administering on the baby is like such as the gentamicin, vitamin K,